You don't like tricks, boy? I call them
That's what we did when it's fucking hurricane.
and you prayed on our damn phone.
For people. Hey, there's some fucking people gonna die. They're fucking dying. They're up to the fucking chest with their they're up to their chest with mudslide from North Carolina.
Yeah, like a ShockaHustlemane.
Shut up!
No, hang on.
I'm telling you right now.
Daddy's falling off.
No. I'm telling you right now.
He wasn't like mud in the square body Chevy.
Shut up! Listen to me.
I am.
Are you listening?
Yeah,
to me?
go ahead.
Really?
I won't say nothing else. Promise. Go ahead.
Okay, they're freaking. Listen, they're there. They done damn tried to do the best they could with their best they could on that North Carolina shit, but they got plunged but onto the North Carolina shit, and it hurts their heart. And they got down below the mudslide. And all that they can do is freaking, they've been washed beneath the mudslide. And they got a mudslide across them. And all they got is their upper body. And they're like, please help me. My kids and my wife.
Charlie, don't get sentimental and be a little bitch,
My kids and my wife stopped scratching at my legs 3 days ago. So I know they're dead. And this dude is stuck in the fucking mud in North Carolina.
Come on, Moses, make fun of her because she's crying, you stupid son of a bitch. Come on, Rick Sanchez, make fun of it. Hope you goddamn feel good, son. Come on, little fella.
Wait for a second. Let me fucking see my shit. Let me tell you what the fuck I heard. And now it's not okay. That motherfucker fucking fell his kids and his wife fucking scratching on his legs and couldn't move because he was underneath mudslides and he was trapped under mud and felt his kids and his wife scratching under him. He couldn't help him for nothing. It's so sad. I don't care about y'all. I care about me and my fucking kid. Y'all.
Look at that, Shocka done commented.
There ain't no fucking reason.
Picture me goddamn rolling in the damn General Lee and the damn Trans Am Smokey in the